first ever vlog. Today, I'm taking you to a beautiful spot like a green paradise. Stick with me, let's go. Are you feeling stressed out? Nature is the best remedy. Honestly, forest bathing and sky gazing helped a lot. So I'm gonna share this peaceful vibe with you. Look at this flower. This flower always remember me, the evening sky. Cool. Forest bathing is a Japanese concept named Shinrin-yoku. It is basically just spending quiet time in nature, walking through the trees, breathing it all in, and really being present. And sky gazing is just lying back and watching the sky, clouds drifting, stars twinkling, or even just the blue. They are super calming and help clear your mind. I have loved doing this since I was a kid. See that mountain far away? That is called Ramalekanda. Look what I found. This is a wild fruit. It looks like a small passion fruit. Look. The taste, a mix of sweet and little bit tangy. Really unique. This is another wild fruit, like berries. And wow, they have ripened so nicely. Super tasty too. I just love sitting here and taking in the view around me. Getting kinda dark now. Time to go home. Hey, look what I found! These are the footprints of a wild boar. Wow, what an amazing view! The sky like watercolor painting. Finally, here's the thing. You don't need anything big to clear your mind. Just the green leaves and the blue sky will guide you.